Hi guys, my name is Ryan Downs. I'm a field service technician at Powell, and today we're covering the padding system and our car pressure valve check procedure. We do this check to ensure that our valve is working properly, the car is set to the right set point, and is getting padded to the correct pressure. So we'll start here at the HMI. So in the bottom right here, we can see that the car is padded to 131 PSI. And if we go into our setup menu, and go in our primary settings, we can see that the pressure set point is at 120 with a dead band of 10. And as we discussed earlier, this means that the valve should open after the car is under 120 PSI and close when the car gets to 130 PSI. So now we'll go ahead and demonstrate that on the actual padding system. So the most important thing here is to make sure this valve is off. This valve goes to your car, so if this is not shut and you open these valves, you could potentially bring chlorine or chemicals we don't want backwards. So go ahead and shut this valve. Right here is where our pressure transmitters are measuring the pressure. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plug. I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and it's gonna drop the pressure on the system, which is gonna bring these under the 120 PSI set point, and it's gonna cause this valve to open. So I'm gonna go ahead and slowly crack it here. And as this air is dropping, it's going to drop under the 120 PSI set point, and this valve is actually going to open. So we can see we hit our set point of under 120 PSI, and so our car valve has opened, pushing air to the car. And finally, we're going to go ahead and close this valve. We're going to place our plug back in. So once your plug is back in, this valve is again closed, and your system's on, you're good to open this valve back up.